Afon Cyfarfod, Meeting River. Further down the river there was a presence of Rewilding by the water's edge. I dipped my toes and adored. I could feel the cold. I felt like I was our glogwen, ready to be pushed. Codi carreg, I moved away, planning to write mewn ardal that spoke to me on the way. Sitting down, I began. Gwelais i'r Afon as a metaphor of my life. Continuously flowing, weithiau gyflym, weithiau araf, sometimes deep, at others shallow, gyda cherrig bach, larger rocks and leaves. Seeing a late summer butterfly hold on to llawenydd byw. A spider weaving its web of life, llyfr diddewedd, to be carried gyda neu ymladd yn erbyn. Swimming with the tide, we eventually cyrraedd the môr. Swim, my friend, swim.